Have you ever wondered how to make money online? Today, we're going to delve into the world of online earning and explore 8 proven methods to make money from the comfort of your home or anywhere in the world. First on the list is freelancing. This method allows you to use your existing skills and expertise to earn an income. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are virtual marketplaces where you can offer your services in areas such as writing, graphic design, programming, or virtual assistance. Next up is selling products online. Platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy have made it possible for anyone to become an online retailer. Whether it's handmade crafts, vintage items, or products sourced from wholesalers, there's a market for almost anything. The third method is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services of other companies through unique affiliate links. Each time a sale or lead is generated through your link, you earn a commission. Amazon Associates and ClickBank are popular networks to find a wide range of products to promote. Next, consider creating and selling digital products. If you're an expert in a field or a creative individual, you can sell ebooks, online courses, stock photography, or software tools. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Udemy make it easy to reach a global audience. Starting a YouTube channel is another way to cash in online. By creating engaging content and building a loyal audience, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Remember, consistency and quality are key to success on this platform. The sixth method is dropshipping. This e-commerce model allows you to sell products without holding inventory. You simply partner with suppliers who handle storage and shipping, and platforms like Shopify make it easy to set up a dropshipping store. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject or skill, try offering online tutoring or coaching services. Websites like tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, and coach.me can connect you with students seeking personalized learning experiences. Lastly, investing and trading is another way to make money online. Trading stocks, cryptocurrencies, or Forex can be lucrative, but it's crucial to do your research and understand the risks before you start. And there you have it, 8 proven methods to earn money online. Whether you're freelancing, selling products, or creating digital content, the opportunities are endless. Remember, success doesn't come overnight. It takes dedication, persistence, and a willingness to learn. So why wait? Start your online earning journey today. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy earning.